Hi and welcome to my playhouse. And today I have a little car problem that I hope I can solve and make a good little video about it. So I have myself been on YouTube and looked up this problem, and I haven't found anyone doing it on this particular vehicle. And this is a Seat Leon Stationcar with well, there's no back seats, but it has a clothing thing like this. And to open up the lid, you activate this, and it doesn't work. So I have, with a lot of effort, had the back of the lid taken off, which was it wasn't that easy, I must admit. I am not a car guy, so it has these latches that pops into the metal, and when you know that it's only these latches going into the metal, it's not as nerve-wracking. So be sure to know there is no screws on this model, Seat Leon Stationcar thingy, and it goes into these slots. They click in there, and I was just about to take this off. This is where the thingy that turns goes on, and it has a connector here, and my idea is there's just a switch in there, so I want to short circuit this and see if that will actually activate this thing. In here is some electronic that unlocks. It was possible to open it up by using this, so I climbed inside of the car and I activated this, and there is actually a little hole here that you can do that. So there's a plastic thingy. I put it down there, so I knew that I would have to do that multiple times, so I took that off so I could climb in and activate that. So we have the. This is, what the fuck is going on with this? Oh, I hate this multimeter. It is so fucked up. Yeah, that seems about right. So we need to pop those into the switch. See if they will do that. There. So when I close it down a little bit and I use the switch, no beeping. So it's probably that is broken or not working. So we need to take that out. And that's the wrong way. So that comes. So it has a little metal protecting thingy here. It's cold out here. My fingers are freezing, and it's even a warm day. There we are. So this metal thing comes off. There's a plastic clip here that you punch together, and then the metal thing will come off, and then the handle thing will go up, and it's free. So yeah. I saw online that you need to punch out this metal rod that is in here. Everything that is in here is just a stupid switch that clicks, and if it doesn't click, it doesn't work. So, okay, that is actually a problem, because when I activate this and I use the multimeter, it is actually working. Dang it. Okay, so with quite the amount of effort, I've taken this apart, and there is a little micro switch down here. that gives us a connection on these two connectors here, and there is a spring loaded mechanism here, so that when this goes in, it needs to go in the right way and have the spring correctly, and when it's correct, it can open and it can close, and it will do that the right way. I hope this comes apart again. Did I just mess that up? No, I got it. And it's on a metal thing, and this thing, it rusts up. So when you have had the car for years, I have actually polished this so that it would run a bit better. This thing doesn't run very well anymore, so when you push it down or push it up, you push it up and it will stay up, and it's a drag. It doesn't look good, but yeah, apparently this isn't it. That really sucks. So I need to put this back together. That little spring needs to hit this little groove right there, like that, and then this needs to go in the hole here. I think this is the bigger size. Yeah, it goes really well now that I have polished it. It didn't go well before at all, so I'll give it a light tapping. Okay, so now it's in and it works a lot better now, so cool. But this is a thing that often breaks on this model, so can we measure it now? Ah, that wasn't it. Works perfectly. Dang it. Okay, found something interesting here. I was just about to check it again, and I thought I can probably measure it here. And this is very much corroded, so we might have a bad connection. So even though it's okay there, it might not. We can measure it there. Put that in there. So maybe we don't have a signal here. And this is a blue and a brown, and we have a blue and a brown there as well. Okay, if we look in there where the connector goes, we can see that it's corroded in there. So I'm gonna try and get some sandpaper in there and clean those connections a bit. Okay, cleaned it with a little bit of sandpaper, very fine, and I oiled it a little bit. So we're gonna try and put that connector in. See if it... Can I close that? I should be able to. Can I get to it? Not so much. So we'll take this out. Just if I have to climb in there and open it up from the inside. Screwdriver is ready for that. Get this out of the way. So let's see. Does not work. So I'm onto something. I have had it working a few times, very shortly. So I am cleaning out the little connectors in there. I'm not sure if it's in here that the connectors are bad or if it's on the plug. But yeah, if I clean them both places, there's a chance. So this is I took the mechanism out because it was dreadful to work with it when it was there. So you lock it and you open it, and there is some sort of a mechanism in here that will do that for you. thingy that will activate. So I think I have that pretty clean now. I think we have some progress now. It wasn't doing that before. Okay, I have mounted it again. It's only two fasteners, one on each side, and then it pops out. So now it goes in. Sorry about the not cleaning my car. And it works. That is several hundred euros saved right there. And it was just this stupid connection. And I didn't even have to take all of this apart. I could have done it through that little hatch. But I didn't know. Okay, so now this thing is back on. It kind of, you have to slide it in the back first and pop it up, and it's a drag to get on. And I am clearly not good at this, but it's in, and it still works. I am not unhappy with that. Okay, that is absolutely fantastic result. I must admit, I do enjoy that. I wasn't expecting it to be this complicated. I thought it was that little switch in there, so I thought, well, that's gonna be failing. It's an easy fix. Everybody's doing that on the internet, so yeah, this became more complicated, but it was just a bad connection. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.